morning, dear children. I hope you all are fine and safe with your family. Students, today in English, we will be learning grammar portion. In grammar, we will be learning about punctuation marks. So, what is punctuation marks? Punctuation is the use of marks or signs to divide a piece of writing into sentences, phrases, etc. so that sentence is easy to read and understand. Some of the punctuation marks are as follows: capital letters, full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, apostrophe, and inverted commas. Capital letters are used to begin a sentence or new line of a poem. So when we use, students, capital letters, we use capital letters when we begin a sentence. It could also be a new line of a poem. To begin, proper nouns and adjectives derived from them. The first word within inverted commas of direct speech begins with a capital. Okay, students, so whenever we write direct speech, so the first word which is there, which starts with the inverted comma, it always begins with capital letters. Nouns, pronouns that refer to God. Pronoun I and interjections. The names of mountains and rivers and seas begin with capital letters. The name of months, days and festivals also begins with capital letters. So here, students, we have just gone through when should we use capital letters. Examples: I said, how are you? So I will be capital and H will be capital. Moving to our second sentence, you must help her. So you, Y also will be written in capital letter. Moving ahead. Second one is full stop. The full stop is used at the end of statements, orders and commands to show longer pause. It is also used in abbreviation. Okay, students, so what it means when we use full stop? We use full stop at the end of statements, orders and commands to show longer pause. It is also used in abbreviations. Some examples are given over here. First one, he is a hard-working boy. So as and when the sentence get over, we have put over here the full stop. Moving to second one, that is, his mother is a kind lady. So here also, students, you will see sentence gets over. So we will put over here full stop. We have also seen that we use full stop in abbreviations. Example, MA, MSc. Moving ahead. Question mark. The question mark is used at the end of questions or statements that have a question tag at the end. So when we use question mark, students, we use question mark at the end of questions or statements that have a question tag at the end. For example, what is the time? What have you done? Is it a good movie? It's nearly 8, isn't it? So here, students, you have seen that when to use question mark in the sentences. Exclamation mark. An exclamation is used with interjections and exclamatory sentences to indicate some sudden feelings. Examples: hooray, the trophy is ours. And second sentence, wow, this is great. So students, when such kinds of sentences come, we should use exclamation mark. Moving ahead. Apostrophe. The apostrophe is used to show that a letter or letters in a word are dropped. It is also used with S or by itself to show that a thing or person belongs to somebody or something. So when should we use apostrophe, students? When we should use apostrophe to show that a letter or letters in a word are dropped. It is also used with S or by itself to show that a thing or a person belongs to somebody or something. Here students, you can see two examples I have given. The first one is, they have brought a new car. And second one, we can't go to the zoo. Moving ahead. Inverted commas. It is used to mark out words or statements in direct speech. So when should we use inverted comma? We should use to mark out words or statements in the direct speech. Examples: the men said, how did you find the way? And second one, the teacher said, God help those who help themselves. So here students, we have learned about different punctuation marks. I hope students this much must be clear with each and every one. Students, now we will begin with the quiz. Punctuate the following sentence. First one is, you must help her. So students, here we need to do punctuation. So let's find out the answer. So answer will be, you must help her. Y will be capital in U, and after her, as and when the sentence gets over, we need to put the full stop. Moving to the second one. How terrible it is. Same thing students, we need to punctuate it. So how it will come now? It will come as, how terrible it is. So after is, we will put over there exclamation mark. Moving to the third one. Did you attend the class today? I repeat, did you attend the class today? Same thing students, we need to do, we need to punctuate it. So answer will be, did you attend the class today? Answer will be like, did, D will be capital, and after today there will be question mark. Moving to our last sentence. I have a headache, said the lady. I repeat, I have a headache, said the lady. So sentence will be, it will start with inverted comma. So it will become as, I have a headache, said the lady. So I hope students, it must be clear with everyone. Today in this video, we have learned in detail about punctuation marks. We have learned about full stop, capital letters, question mark, exclamation mark, apostrophe and inverted commas. I hope students, you all must have enjoyed the video. I request you all to again watch the video. Till the time, stay safe, and thank you so much.